snow comes in tonight and all that is on the roadways, it gets very, very cold overnight there in the teens. Looks like some of that will be icy. We need to watch some of those spots as well. The best chance of snow in the next several days is going to be there on Saturday with that snow chance very light. All right, so let's check it out. Let me show you around here what you can expect when you come out to the Sport Boat and Recreation Show. We see the RV and the campers over towards the left, and here we are with the jet skis, the Sea-Doos, everything going on. We have boats in the background and boats over here. We have everything going on. We'd love to see you out here, and it does look like the doors will open at 1 p.m., close at 9 p.m., not only for today, but for tomorrow as well, and of course, open through the weekend. You can get in for $7 for adults, but the children at $3, and then at those 3 and younger, those little toddlers, they get in for free. So it's a great family event. Come on out. We'll talk more about this forecast and snowfall totals coming up very shortly, guys.
All right, we look forward to that, and Micah looks like he's ready to go right down the middle of the lake.
Well, that's what I said. We know our Micah. He's about to jump on something and act like he's riding it or something fun like that.
Right there.
All right, thank you. We'll see you in a bit. Thank you. We're coming back in just a moment. A former Wildcat